Today I'm going to be unboxing the pony hairstylist set. I really love that it's got purple along the bottom of the box. I think that looks really pretty. And also it's the same on the princess dress up set. That's also got purple, but normally it's pink, so I think that's really cool. I guess it kind of shows that they're part of a different kind of range, as I've got a different colour on the bottom of the box. I've got a picture of the pony here, and you can see her inside the box there and all of the accessories that it comes with. I've got the contents on the side of the box. And on the back it shows the princess dress up set with it, and the pony friends set, and the pony stylish hair salon, but those two sets aren't available here yet, so hopefully they'll release them soon because they look so cool. But I do have the old beauty salon, so until I get the new one I could use this set in the old one with Antonio Patches as the hairdresser. And on the side of the box it says something about the pony. So it says, it's the mainly pony mother. Serafina is a stylist in the village hair salon. She's dyed a purple streak in her beautiful long hair and everyone says it looks wonderful. She keeps all of the things she uses to style hair, like her brush and scissors and a tool belt, and she finishes each haircut in a flash. Serafina knows exactly which style will suit each villager best, so when she asks villagers, what will it be? They always say, whatever you recommend, and of course Serafina always makes sure her own hair and skin looks nice. So it sounds like she's a really good hairdresser. It's so cute, I can't wait to open it. It's so good that they've decided to make a pony family, as before there were only ponies that were like for the Sylvanians to ride on, which I guess kind of caused a problem that it was animals, riding animals, and was it right for them to do that? So now they've made a pony family, so that's really good. And they've got a collection catalogue. Oh, and on the flaps it shows like different styles that you can style her hair with, so that's really cool. And here's all of the pieces. You can get Serafina out. It's a very pretty name, Serafina. And her hair is all strapped down as well. Wow, it feels so nice. So here she is. And she's got her hair, wow, the purple streak. And there's a band, so I'm just going to take this band off. Really gently. Right, there we go. Wow, that's so pretty. It was kind of curly as well, how it was up in that band. Wow, that's so cool. So she's got, oh yeah, she's got pockets in her skirt, so she can put the scissors and things in there. Wow, I love her hair. That's so cool. Right, so now I'm going to get all the pieces out. So she's got a trolley to put all of her things on. Here's a trolley. Lovely purple colour to match her hair. Got all the pieces in the top. It's a really pretty box as well. Like a purpley, pinky, yellowy background. Just need to cut it open. So let's cut the two bits at the bottom. Right, there's the box. Now it's empty, so it looks really pretty. And here are all of the pieces. I think I'll show you them all close up so you can see what they all are. Right, so now I'm going to get all of these pieces out. So we've got this little tray, which looks like it attaches to the trolley. Does it go on here? Is there a picture? I can go on the side of the trolley. So I'll put it on like that. And we've got straighteners. So they go together like that. I wonder if they're kind of slightly, I don't know, magnetic, because they do go together quite well. Maybe not, maybe it's just kind of how they are. But it feels really cool, so you can straighten her hair. That's cool. So I'll put these on the trolley in a minute. I'll get all the pieces out, I think. And we've got a hairdryer, so you can dry their hair. This would be good for a video, and then have a fan on blowing on them, so then you can do that and then it will look like it's actually blowing the hair. That will look cool. We've got a little bucket, so I'm guessing this is to wash their hair with. Put water in there and pour it over their heads. We've got a little brush, which I'm guessing would that be for dyeing hair? I'm not sure. I guess so. And we've got a little tube of something, which I guess is probably hair dye. I guess, I don't know, or some kind of product. We've got scissors. And a little blue headband. A mirror, which is also on a little stand, so it can stand up like that. A little pink hairbrush, so you can brush their hair. Wow, it's so pretty. And lastly, you've got these little like ribbon clips, which just go like that. Oh, they're quite tough to get apart once you've clipped them together. So they just go together like that. And there's 2 of those. And lastly, we've got a tray that can go on the bottom of the trolley. And we've got some different sprays and things in there. So now I'm going to set it all up on the trolley. So now I've put everything on the trolley. And I tried plaiting Seraphina's hair. I think it looks really pretty, especially with the purple streak going down it. And her hair's still really curly at the back, where it was all kind of twisted up in the box. And I put her scissors in her pocket, so she's all ready to style people's hair. It looks so cute. I love this set so much, it's so cool. I think it's really great that there's now finally a pony family that is like the same as the rest of the figures, like just like a standing up figure, not just like the big ponies that stand on all 4 legs. So it's good to have a pony family that's like the same as all the other families. And yeah, but I still love the old ponies as well, because I've got 3 of those, so I think they could be friends, the ponies, the old ponies and the new ponies. So yeah, it's so cool. I love this set, it's just so pretty and cute. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, bye!